Introduction of the ID Bridge trial service for the medical device supply chain. Logistic improvement and traceability throughout the supply chain of medical devices are becoming a big concern due to complexity. There are also different specifications and sizes. Especially, the medical devices such as orthopedic implants and cardiovascular products are distributed through dealers and to the hospitals. Many of these shipments are consigned, so the logistics are suffered from outbound and return inspections and inventory. Murata tackles against these challenges such as disposal loss and excess inventory in corporate issues, and supply chain management in the business scene. We contribute to solve the issue with RFID. Introducing the functions of ID Bridge trial software. Serialize each product and register the tag. Inspection of the outbound and return. Inventory and searching inside the warehouse. We will now explain the detail of each function. This is to register the tag by directly scanning the GS1-128 standard barcode of the medical device. To be more specific, product code and the serial are in the EPC memory. Lot numbers and expiration dates are in the user memory with the compressed data using the packed object. First, the tag would be registered following the product list in the Excel prepared in advance. Second, the tag would be registered following the GS1-128 barcode of the medical devices. RFID has the antenna that can receive the signal transmitted from the reader. The serial is created on the ID bridge for lot numbers. In the outbound inspection, RFID tunnel will read all tags massively against the shipping list prepared in advance. Scanned tag information can be compared against the shipping list in the screen, so you can verify there is no missing items before completing the inspection. In the return inspection, the list is to be created at the dealer or the sales office. However, for the short-term consignment, you do not need to additionally create the list if the original shipping list can be used. At the distribution center, RFID table is used to scan the tags against the return list. The antenna will read all tag information during the cosmetic check. Handheld readers can be used for the inventory in the warehouse. Upload the latest data in the database. If you would like to find a specific product, you can use the RFID signal to detect the tag. We can gladly explain the trial service in the further detail. Please contact us for any further information and support.